Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Gananaham Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamatsravastamam. Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrinvan Utibhissidasadanam. Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati. Dhinama Vitrayavato Ganesaya Namaha. Saraswatyai Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Yasyat Vyadavakradhya Parishadhya Parasatam Vignam Nignanti Satatam Vishvaksenam Tamasraye. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheswaraha. Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhate Girim Yat Krupa Tamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam. Embracing divinity through the effulgence in the manifested. Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yogaha. Sri Bhagavan said, "My dear mighty-shouldered Arjuna, hear again the heart-pleasing and most glorious words that I speak for your benefit and upliftment. The angels do not know my glory. The great rishis do not know it either. I am the primal cause for the devas, the rishis, and for everything else. Among all human beings, he who knows me as the Lord of the world without beginning or birth is the one who has no delusions. He is freed from all sins. Intellect, wisdom, clarity, patience, control of the senses, control of the mind, pleasure, misery, birth, death, fear, absence of fear, non-violence, balanced mindset, contentment, penance, charity, fame, infamy, such myriad things that beings experience come only from me. Even the ancestors of all these people in the world, beginning with the first Saptarishis, the Chatvaris and the Manus, all are born from my mind and have my divine nature. He who truly understands the divine effulgence and its unifying nature in these manifestations experiences unity in diversity and becomes established in that. There is no doubt about this. I am the origin for all. Everything is born from me only and is sustained by me only. Knowing this, the wise worship me as present in all. Always establishing themselves mentally in me and holding on to me as their life refuge, they share my glories and stories among themselves. Reveling in that, they are contented and peaceful. They are firmly established in spiritual discipline and worship me with devotion. I give them the Buddhi Yoga, with which they attain me. Gracing them, I establish myself in their heart, illuminate their wisdom, and destroy the darkness of their ignorance. Arjuna said, "You are Parabrahmam, Parandhamam, Paramam Pavitram." All the sages, including the Devarishi, Narada, Asita, Devala, Vyasa, also speak of you as the eternal Purusha, the first God, the birthless one, the Lord who showers his grace unasked. You tell me the same thing also. My dear Kesava, I know all that you tell me to be true, but, my dearest Bhagavan, neither the Devas nor the demons understand your form. Purushottama, creator of all the manifestations, master of all the manifestations, Lord of the Lords, ruler of the phenomenal universe, you, only by yourself, with yourself, know yourself. Whatever myriad ways your effulgence manifests and pervades these worlds, you are well qualified to tell me about these effulgent ways, aren't you? So, you have a responsibility to tell me about them. Therefore, won't you tell me about them? My dearest self, tell me what deep and sincere contemplation I must employ and how should I get to know you? And my dear Bhagavan, in which of these myriad manifestations around me should I look for you? Janardana, tell me again in detail your divine and unifying effulgence in these manifestations. I am not contented drinking in this nectar through my ears. I want to hear more and more. Sri Bhagavan said, very well, the best of the Kurus, I will describe to you in detail the more important ones among these effulgent manifestations. Really, there is no end to my manifestations, is there? My dear Gudakesa, I am the indweller established in the hearts of all, the beginning, middle, and end of all beings. Among the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Among the shining entities, I am the sun shining with its rays. Among the Maruts, I am Marichi, and among the stars, I am the moon. I am the Samaveda among the Vedas, Indra among the Devas, the mind among the senses, and awareness among beings. I am Shankara among the Rudras, Kubera among the Yakshas, fire among the Vasus, and Meru among the mountains. Partha, among priests, know me as the most important of them, Brihaspati. I am Skanda among the warrior generals, ocean among the forms of water. Among Maharishis, I am Bhrigu. Among words, the single-syllabled Om. Among sacrifices, I am Japa Yajna. Among the stationary things, I am the Himalaya mountain. I am Asvata among the trees, Narada among the Devarishis, Chitrata among the Gandharvas, Kapila Muni among the Siddhas. Among horses, know me as Uchchaisravasam, that came with the nectar during the churning of the milk ocean. Among the superior elephants, as Airavatam. Among men, as Naradipa. Among weapons, I am Vajra weapon. I am cows, I am Kamadhenu. I am also Kandarpa, the progenitor. Among the poisonous snakes, I am Vasuki. Among the non-poisonous snakes, I am Adisesha. Among the aquatic beings, I am Varuna. I am the departed souls, I am Aryama. And among the disciplinarians, I am Yama. Among the Daityas, I am Prahlada. Among the accounting measures, time. Among the animals, the lion. Among the birds, Garuda. Among the purifying agents, I am air. Among the bearer of alms, I am Rama. Among the fish, I am Makara. Among the rivers, Jaknavi. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all creations. My dear Arjuna, among the various branches of knowledge, I am the knowledge of the self. Among the argumentative, I am the inquiry for truth. Among letters, I am A. Among the compound words, I am Dvandva. I am also the indestructible time. With all pervasive presence, I protect by giving the results of actions. I am death that brings all manifestations disappear. I am also the manifesting power in everything that is manifested. Among women, I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, determination, and forbearance. Likewise, among the Vedas, I am Brihat Samam. Among the poetic meters, I am Gayatri. Among the months, I am Margasirisham. Among the seasons, I am the flowering spring season. I am among the con artists, I am deception. Among the energetic, I am energy. I am victory and also perseverance. Among the genteel, I am gentleness. Among the people born in the Vrishni lineage, I am Vasudeva. Among the Pandavas, Dhananjaya. Among the Munis, Vyasa. Among the sagacious, Sukracharya. I am the controlling power in those who control. I am the sense of fairness in those who desire victory. I am discretion in secretive matters and wisdom in the wise. My dear Arjuna, I am the seed for all beings. There is nothing other than me anywhere, be they mobile or stationary beings. O the terror of enemies, there is no limit or end to my divine and self-effulgent manifestations. What I have told you so far are a few specific instances only. Whichever manifested appearance conveys the wealth of knowledge that takes you closer to the unity in diversity, you must, under that aspect of knowledge, know that to be Bhuti. But, my dear Arjuna, what use is it really for you to know all these myriad manifestations? Know instead that I am established in them all, supporting them all with a part of my unifying power. Bhagavan in 42nd slokam, after answering Arjuna's questions, which are in 16 and 17, actually chides him. Why do you really want to know? What use is it? Right? And then he summarizes that. Now with Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, Bhuya eva mahabaho srunu me paramam vachaha yat teham priyamanaya vakshyami hitakamyaya name viduhu suraganaha prabhavam na maharshayah aham adihi hi devanam maharshinam cha sarvashah yo mam ajam anadim cha veti lokamaheswaram asamudaha sa martyeshu sarva papehi pramuchyate buddhihi jnanam asammohah kshama satyam damah kshama samah sukham dukham bhavo bhavo bhayam cha abhayameva cha ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yaso yasah bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva pratak vidaha maharshayah saptapurve chatvaro manavastata madbhava manasa jata yesham loka imaha prajaha etam vibhutim yogam cha mamayo vetti tatvatah so vikampena yogena yujyate natra samsayah aha savasya prabhavah mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha matchitta madgata prana bodhayantah parasparam katayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyoham tam yena mam upayanti te tesham evanu kampartam aham ajnanajam tamah nasayami atmabhavastah jnanadipena bhasvata. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham sasvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum avuhu tvam rishayah sarve devarishi naradasthatha asito devalo vyasah swayam cha eva bravishi me sarvameta dhrutam manye yenmam badasi kesava nahi te bhagavan vyaktim viduhu devana danavaha swayam eva atmanatmanam veta tvam purushottama bhuta bhavana bhutesa devadeva jagatpate vaktum arhasi aseshena divyahi atma vibhutayah yabihi vibhutibihi loka nimastvam vyapya tishtasi katam vidyamaham yogihi tvam sada parichintayan keshu cha bhaveshu chintayosi bhagavan maya vistarena atmano yogam vibhutim cha janardana bhujah kataya truptihi srunvato nasti me amrutam. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Hanta te katayishyami divyahi atmavibhutayah pradhanyatah kuru sreshta vistarasya me aham atma gudakesa sarvabhutasaya stitah aham adihi cha madhya cha bhutanam antayeva cha adityanam aham vishnuhu jyotisham ravihi amsuman marichir marutam asmi nakshatranam aham sashi वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि, देवानाम् अस्मि वासवः, इन्द्रियाणां मनश्च अस्मि, भूतानामस्मि चेतना, रुद्राणां शङ्करश्च अस्मि, वित्तेशः यक्षरक्षसाम्, वसूनां पावकश्च अस्मि, मेरुः शिखरिणाम् अहम्। पुरोधसां च मुख्यं मां विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिम्, सेनानीनाम् अहं स्कन्दः, सरसाम् अस्मि सागरः, महर्षीणां भृगुः अहम्, गिराम् अस्यम् एकम् अक्षरम्, यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि, स्थावराणां हिमालयः, अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां, देवऋषीणां च नारदः, गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः, सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः। उच्चैस्रवसम् अश्वानां विद्धि माम् अमृतोद्भवम्, ऐरावतम् गजेन्द्राणां, नराणां च नराधिपम्, आयुधानामहम् वज्रम्, धेनूनाम् अस्मि कामधुक्, प्रजनः च अस्मि गन्धर्पः, सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः, अनन्तश्च अस्मि नागानां, वरुणो यादसाम् अहम्, पितॄणाम् अर्यमा च अस्मि, यमः संयताम् अहम्, प्रह्लादश्च अस्मि दैत्यानां, कालः कलयताम् अहम्, मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहम्, वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्, पवनः पवतामस्मि, रामः शस्त्रभृतामहम्, झषाणां मकरः च अस्मि, स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी, सर्गाणाम् आदिः अन्तश्च मध्यं च एव अहम् अर्जुन, अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम्, अक्षराणाम् अकारोऽस्मि, द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च, अहम् एव अक्षयः कालः, धाता अहम् विश्वतो मुखः, मृत्युः सर्वहरश्च अहम्, उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्, कीर्तिः श्रीवाक्च नारीणां, स्मृतिः मेधा धृतिः क्षमा, बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां, गायत्री छन्दसाम् अहम्, मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम्, ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः, द्यूतं चलयताम् अस्मि, तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्, जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि, सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम्, वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि, पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः, मुनीनाम् अपि अहम् व्यासः, कवीनाम् उशना कविः, दण्डो दमयताम् अस्मि, नीतिः अस्मि जिगीषिताम्, मौनं च एव अस्मि गुह्यानां, ज्ञानं ज्ञानवताम् अहम्, यश्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तद् अहम् अर्जुन, न तदस्ति विना यत्स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्, नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप, एष तु उद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेः विस्तरो मया, यद्यत् विभूतिमत् सत्त्वं श्रीमत् ऊर्जितम् एव वा, तद्तद् एव अवगच्छ त्वं मम तेजोंस सम्भवम्, अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तव अर्जुन, विष्टव्याहम् इदम् कृष्णम् एकांसेन स्थितो जगत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे विभूतियोगो नाम 10मोऽध्यायः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरिः ओम।